Welcome to Sky Rover. Here is the Helicopter Simulation Center and the latest high-tech laboratory. The latest Sky Rover 4.5 channel helicopter was born here. A tremendous performance is about to start. Are you ready? Go! Increase the power. Rising up. Gyroscope operation all green. Take off. Faster, faster, faster. 4.5 channel helicopter is the latest Sky Rover product line of all the toys. The 8-way control allows the helicopter to move upward, downward, forward, backward. Both side rotate and sidle movement. The brilliant structure design helps to achieve high stability while flying, and it can be controlled more easily and freely. Turn right and sidle fly. Pass through the 90-degree corner with a beautiful rightward sidle movement. The stable sidle flight ability is performed more perfectly in the 360 circle tunnel. Sensitive mobility, high-speed sidle movement, more exciting, more fun. Various combination of flight techniques allows you to fly freely and enjoyable even in a complex place. Sky Rover 4.5 channel helicopters has the special gyroscope. High power system, high capacity battery allows 6 minutes long flight. Easy USB charging, 30 minutes quick charging. IC protection. Durable metallic body construction, blazing LED light, and high-speed engine. Sky Rover series have various types of 4.5 channel helicopters. Come and enjoy!
Alvin, a gem of a friend.